Hello, my name's Rachel and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a card using the Moonstone Wheel Surprise dies. So I've got an A4 ink me sheet, I've got a 6x6 card, we've got the stamps that come with the kit, and we've also got our ink pad and our stamping press. And you also need a little brad to fit it together. So I've already stuck on our main parts onto my ink me card. Now I'm just going to run it through the machine just to cut all of those elements out. So now we've got our cutout wheel, and we've also got our card. So I'm just going to turn this around and we're going to trim this down to fit our card blank. So I'm going to cut mine to 4.5 by 4.5 inches. And then we're going to take our stamping press and we're just going to pop this on. Now, depending on what set of stamps you use will depend on the part that you pop in. So I'm going to take the flag part and we're just going to line that up with the cut. And I'm going to stamp mine using Memento ink. And we'll just stamp that on. Now we're going to take our other elements. So there's also the plane as well. And we've also got the little scene at the bottom. So we're going to stamp the little scene. Like that. Now we're going to just take our pinwheel and we're going to just pop our magnet in the middle just to secure that into place. And we're going to take our sentiments, so there's lots of different ones on here. And then we're just going to place it underneath the dotted line going round. And then we're going to just stamp these. So the best way to do this is by doing one at the top, then flipping it around to do the one at the bottom. You can choose whatever you'd like. And then we're also going to do one either side as well. And then just one more, just on the other side. And then also on your stamp set, there is a little stamp that will say turn. So I'm just going to do this with my acrylic block. And we're going to just stamp this just where each of the words are. And that will be just on the edge of your pinwheel. Like so. Now we're going to bring in our card blank and I'm going to lie it out so we can stick the pinwheel on. So the pinwheel goes on the base of your card and then this sits on top. So we're going to line it up so it's just in the middle. Then I've got my little brad and we're just going to make a hole going into our card blank. And then we're just going to fasten it, push that out them on the other side. So now we've got our spin wheel. So we're going to just measure this up. And I've got some foam pads here. Now we're going to just cut these down just a little bit because we want it so that the pinwheel doesn't stick to the foam pads when it's turning around. So we're just going to put one in each little corner. And then we're just going to stick this on top. So just make sure that you can't see your foam pads when you are sticking your top on. You might just need to fold them down or cut them just a little bit. So we'll just stick that on and just make sure that you can see the words. And there we go. So that is our surprise wheel, and if you turn it around you can see all the different sentiments. There's loads of different stamps that you can coordinate to make a fun background as well.